This is a turtle. Guess who carries a little house on its back? It's the turtle. This calm animal lives in rivers, oceans, and even on land across many countries of the world. A turtle enjoys eating plants, small fish, and fruits. It can live more than 50 years. Sometimes the turtle rests quietly in the sun. Kids can remember the turtle as a slow but wise friend.
This is a sturgeon. Hi, curious friends. The sturgeon is a very old fish that has lived on Earth for millions of years. You can find a sturgeon in rivers, lakes, and seas near countries like Russia, Canada, and the United States. This sturgeon loves to eat small fish, snails, and insects from the water. A sturgeon can live more than 50 years, and some even reach 100 years. Kids remember the sturgeon because it is big, strong, and looks like a swimming dinosaur.
This is a kangaroo. Hi, jumpy friends. Let's meet the kangaroo, a famous animal with strong legs and a cozy pouch for its baby. The kangaroo lives in Australia and nearby islands, hopping around grasslands and forests. It eats grass, leaves, and small plants while spending time in groups called mobs. The kangaroo can live about 20 years and loves jumping long distances. Isn't the kangaroo an amazing and playful friend from the land down under?
Psychotay, this is a eagle bird. Hi, Skywatchers. Meet the mighty eagle bird, a strong hunter with sharp eyes and big wings. The eagle bird lives in many countries across the world, from the mountains of America to the forests of Asia and Africa. It enjoys eating fish, rabbits, and other small animals. An eagle bird can live about 20 to 30 years. These birds love soaring high in the sky and building large nests. The eagle bird is powerful, brave, and a true king of the skies.
This is a spotted deer.
Hello, nature explorers! Let's meet the spotted deer, also called the chitto, a gentle animal with white spots on its brown coat. The spotted deer lives in forests and grasslands of India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. This lovely creature eats grass, fruits, and leaves. A spotted deer can live about 10 to 15 years and enjoys moving in large herds. Did you know the spotted deer is often seen walking near monkeys, helping each other stay safe?
Hello, ocean buddies.
Let's meet the bluefin tuna. This super fast fish swims through the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans near countries like Japan, the USA, and Spain. The bluefin tuna loves to eat small fish and squid. It can live up to 40 years. Wow! With its strong body and shiny blue fins, the bluefin tuna travels far and dives deep. It's one of the fastest swimmers in the sea. Isn't the bluefin tuna amazing? This is a tribute spiderfish. Hi, little deep-sea explorers! Today we meet the tribute spiderfish, a strange but amazing fish with long, thin fins that look like spider legs. The tribute spiderfish lives in very deep oceans near countries like Japan, New Zealand, and the United States. It eats worms, small fish, and tiny sea creatures while sitting quietly on the seabed. The tribute spiderfish can live about 10 years and enjoys waiting patiently for food. Isn't the tribute spiderfish a fascinating mystery of the deep sea? This is a nautiluses. Hi, ocean explorers. Meet the nautiluses, ancient sea animals with beautiful spiral shells. The nautiluses live in the deep waters of the Indo-Pacific Ocean, near countries like Fiji, Japan, and the Philippines. They enjoy eating shrimp, crabs, and small fish at night. A nautilus can live about 15 to 20 years. These creatures love floating up and down using gas in their shells and hiding among corals. The nautiluses are gentle, mysterious, and true living fossils of the sea. This is a Bactrian camel. Hi, desert travelers. Let's meet the Bactrian camel, a big animal with 2 humps on its back. The Bactrian camel lives in deserts and steppes of countries like Mongolia, China, and Kazakhstan. It eats grass, shrubs, and leaves, even in very dry places. The Bactrian camel can live about 40 to 50 years and loves walking long distances while carrying heavy loads. Isn't the Bactrian camel a strong and helpful friend of the desert?
This is a bear!
Hi, nature adventurers. Meet the strong bear, a big animal that lives in forests and mountains. The bear can be found in many countries, like Canada, Russia, and the USA. It enjoys eating fish, berries, honey, and sometimes small animals. A bear can live about 20 to 30 years. These animals like exploring rivers, climbing trees, and taking long naps in caves. The bear is powerful, smart, and a special part of nature.
Bundle up! It's time to meet the snow giant, the polar bear! Polar bears live in the icy Arctic areas of countries like Canada, Norway, and Russia. A polar bear loves to eat seals and fish. Most polar bears live around 20 to 25 years. A polar bear enjoys swimming in cold water, walking on ice, and resting in the snow. With thick white fur and big paws, the polar bear is the king of the frozen land. This is a narwhal. Hello, ocean explorers. Meet the narwhal, sometimes called the unicorn of the sea because of its long spiral tusk. The narwhal lives in the icy Arctic waters near Canada, Greenland, and Russia. This special whale eats fish, squid, and shrimp. A narwhal can live about 40 to 50 years and usually travels in groups called pods. Did you know the narwhal uses its tusk to sense the environment? That makes the narwhal truly magical. This is a hedgehog.
Hi, little adventurers. Meet the hedgehog, a tiny animal covered in cute little spines. The hedgehog lives in Europe, Asia, and Africa, and some even as pets in other countries. It enjoys eating insects, worms, and fruits. A hedgehog can live about 4 to 7 years. These animals love curling into a ball when scared, exploring gardens at night, and sniffing around for food. The hedgehog is shy, funny, and one of nature's cutest creatures. This is a goose. Hi, little farm explorers. Let's meet the goose, a large bird with a long neck and strong wings. The goose lives near lakes, rivers, and farms in countries like Canada, China, and Germany. It eats grass, seeds, and small insects while walking or swimming. The goose can live about 15 to 20 years and enjoys staying in flocks with its family. Isn't the goose a smart and loyal friend of both farms and nature?
This is a Japanese spider crab. Hello, ocean giants. Meet the Japanese spider crab, the crab with the longest legs in the world. The Japanese spider crab lives in deep waters around Japan.
It enjoys eating plants, shellfish, and dead animals on the seafloor. A Japanese spider crab can live more than 50 years. These crabs love crawling slowly with their huge legs and hiding among rocks. The Japanese spider crab is giant, gentle, and one of the most amazing creatures of the ocean.